Today, someone burned her face because her car was overheating and she thought that opening her car radiator or water tank will help cool down the engine. Unfortunately, when she was trying to open, the water splashed onto her face and burned her face. If your car is overheating or if you meet someone with a car that is overheating, please do not quickly go open the radiator tank or the water tank, because the water in there is boiling. It's boiling at a high temperature. Any attempt to open the cover will lead to a pressure in the tank that will push the cover. And if you are not lucky and you are watching directly on the tank, it will splash onto your face and burn your face. I know it has happened to a lot of people, and that is why I'm doing this video as educational video for us to share with people so that people will know about this. A lot of people are ignorant or they don't know about this because they are new drivers or they have not been taught or they don't know about it. And we can only educate, we can only share tips like this to reach many people, to save many people's life or save many people from burning themselves out of what they could have prevented. If it becomes very necessary for you to open the radiator tank or the water tank, you can move a distance away and open it slowly. Or you can also stand beside the front tires, right? Or the fenders, and then open with your right hand slowly, so that even if it splash, it wouldn't come onto your face. Please, driving schools and driving instructors and people that have the expertise to teach other people how to drive also includes tips like this. Teaching people about road signs and how to control a car or drive is not enough. You need to include these kind of tips because they are safety measures and they are things that frequently happen. This is Autocare 360.